Hey everyone, it's Aradia. Welcome back to the Rottie Ranch. Today I want to talk about one of my absolute favorite fruits on the homestead, blueberries. And here on the ranch, we've planted over 20 different blueberry varieties, including some truly unique ones like pink lemonade blueberries. And that alone should tell you how much we actually love them. We were very intentional about our diversity. And by planting early, mid, and late season varieties, all with different bloom times and fruiting windows, we're able to enjoy fresh blueberries almost every single day throughout our harvest season. Instead of one short burst of fruit, we get a continuous rolling harvest as all the different plants come into production. And that kind of planning not only spreads out our workload, but it ensures a steady supply of fresh berries. And that's a huge win on a homestead. From a nutritional standpoint, blueberries are small but incredibly powerful. They're rich in antioxidants, especially compounds called anthocyanins. And that's what gives blueberries their deep blue and purple color. These antioxidants help protect the body from oxidative stress and support overall cellular health. Blueberries are especially well known for supporting brain health, memory, and cognitive function, which is why they're often associated with longevity and healthy aging. They also support heart and cardiovascular health, healthy blood sugar balance, immune function, reduced inflammation, gut health, and digestion. They're gentle, they're nourishing, and they're easy to incorporate into daily life. Here on the homestead, blueberries truly shine because of how versatile they are. We enjoy them fresh during the season, freeze them for year-round use, and dehydrate them for snacks, teas, and herbal blends. They work beautifully in baked goods, syrups, jams, and preserves. I love to include them in our cran blueberry juice. Blueberries can also be used in herbal infusions and vinegars, fermented foods, and even as a healthy treat for poultry and livestock, always in moderation. One of the things I love most about blueberries is that they're a perennial crop. Once they're established, they reward you year after year, not just with food, but with pollinator support, garden beauty, and a deeper connection to your land. And those pink lemonade blueberries I mentioned earlier, they're not just beautiful. They offer a lighter color, a slightly different antioxidant profile, and they add diversity to both the garden and our plates. And that diversity matters in our gardens, in our diets, in our overall health. And here at the Robertson Rottie Ranch, we focus on growing foods that nourish the body, support wellness naturally, and fit into sustainable homestead living. And blueberries do all of that, and then some. So whether you're growing them, buying them locally, or just enjoying a handful today, you're giving your body something truly beneficial. So now tell me, how do you like to enjoy blueberries? Fresh, frozen, baked, dehydrated? Let me know, and we'll see you next time. Bye.